It's so hard to stick to healthy eating during the summer holidays. The smell of barbecues, days out, and the kids' constant requests for ice cream and snacks. It makes you really want to indulge. Meal prep's a great way to ensure you've got a healthy, super quick, grab-and-go lunch ready and available in the fridge. It's also really useful for a spur-of-the-moment picnic in the park. Today I'm making this delicious oven-steamed couscous with griddled chicken and veggies. I'm going to be using the full steam function on my oven to steam the couscous, and then I'll be griddling the garlic and herb chicken along with the veggies. I'm a big believer in balance when it comes to food. I like to have all the naughty treats, but then balance it out with healthy, delicious meals like this one. Once the chicken, veggies and couscous are cooked, it's just a case of dividing them between the dishes, covering them and placing them in the refrigerator. I put a lot more effort into planning healthy lunches during the summer holidays so I can indulge in all those naughty treats on days out with the kids.